Hello, welcome everyone. This is about to show you here how you started to go to merge distance or measure distance on Figma. First, what you're gonna do, about to start with going on with an important things that is still to be really already nearly going on, like what is going on about to have to start with. Going to take an object and started to hold Alt K, and then as you can see, if you hold Alt, now hover over another object, and I don't know what it's going on for the object that is ready to be distance. So if I see that, I go here and press Alt, it will automatically holding when you hold Alt, you will start to see that is really be going on with hovering to another object. So as you can see, if I press it on Alt, when you click on this object, for example, and you started to Alt from here, okay, so this will be really about 113 position, and that is all about to help you how you see. I mean,